Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my own pattern. This is beautiful rib made of crochet hook, yarn and seed beads. You have already learned how to crochet ribs or bands. For this project I used 100% mercerized cotton, and as you notice, this is a little bit stretchy, so it will be perfect for bracelet. This pattern is easy to crochet, so you don't need a huge amount of time. Before the work, we thread seed beads onto the working yarn. Also, this pattern can be used for belt for your dress or necklace. And with the yarn, you should choose 2mm steel crochet hook or 2mm just crochet hook. Also, it can be perfect for a headband or like decoration in your home. For work, I'm using 2mm crochet hook and yarn that is 100% mercerized cotton, 168 meters in 50 grams. Seed beads are large, transparent and not outright. And I said before, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn before the work. The number of seed beads you determine by yourself. So let's begin. For my pattern, make a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. And now I draw seed beads. Now I'm going to work with chain that is transition from the first row to the second. And now make a chain with seed bead. Make a chain with seed bead. Then I'm going to work with half double crochet with seed bead. We continue the work. I have done a chain with seed bead. Now draw seed beads and make half double crochet with seed bead. Draw seed bead, yarn over the hook with seed bead. Work with the second chain stitch away from the hook and make half double crochet. Continue. Make half double crochet into the next chain stitch with seed bead. Draw seed bead, yarn over the hook and make half double crochet with seed bead. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have done a row with half double crochet with seed bead. And now let's begin row 2. Make a chain with seed bead. And in the next time I'm going to begin with this chain with seed bead or beaded chain stitch. Now turn. For the next row I don't need seed beads, so I remove some seed beads. Make a slip stitch into the each back loop of the stitch. Like this. So you shouldn't crochet slip stitches too loosely or very strong. It should be in the middle. So I have done 4 slip stitches. So I am working with this row. As you can see, this row is very simple. I like to work with seed beads and just beads. A lot of patterns can be found on my Facebook page or YouTube channel. Make the last slip stitch. You can check yourself or just count as you go. Then I draw seed beads, and it is going to be a row with seed beads. Make a chain with seed bead, then turn, and now I'm working with seed beads, so draw seed beads, as many numbers as you need. So pattern consists of 2 rows. First one is half double crochet with seed beads, and the second is row with slip stitches. The third row will be the same row like the first row. So now I'm working with half double crochet with seed bead into each back loop of the stitch. So let's crocheting. I'm looking for back loop and crochet half double crochet stitch with seed bead. Draw seed bead, yarn over the hook, and half double crochet into the back loop of the next stitch. Make half double crochet into each back loop of the stitch. So continue working in this way till the end of this row. Then you should crochet half double crochet till the end of this row. Now let's look at my project. My beautiful pattern is ready. It can be band, bracelet or necklace. It is a very simple beaded pattern. Also, you can use different colors of beads or beads with letters. And my handband and my band is ready. It is very elastic because we work it with back loops only. If you don't know how to work with back loops or crochet half double crochet, please visit my tutorials for beginners. And I said before, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn before the work. The number of seed beads you determine by yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me and other social media. And of course, crochet with me.